Hi, good evening everybody. So this is typically three-tier architecture in system design. See how we are making in the system design for basically this is for developer who can easily understand this. So like this, if you develop your application, so which will support you for the secure manner. So for the purpose, this is created. So basically, three-tier in the sense it's a presentation layer, application layer, data layer. So presentation layer is nothing but your client resources and web tile. Reside on this layer. And application is basically for your business logic. All the business logic is contained in the application layers. So you can't expose to the external cloud. So for the reason you have to have a separate this. And then data layer is in your data is stored on in the data layer. So this way you have to use it. In a high level, I'm going to show the picture one by one. This is the client resources where the client resources is available there. Like it may be a like mobile or maybe a tab or its computer who sits on the outside of your external cloud. Okay, basically in the internet. This is the basically your presentation layer where it is contain client resources as well as the web layer. Okay, this is application layer where web and applications connecting through connector. Ideally, this application layer business logic sits in the application layer where you can use middleware kind of application using there like WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss, JRN. Such applications sits on this application layer. Okay, so these applications can be connected using the web layer. Okay, your web layer maybe like you can use IAS, Tomcat, Apache, you can use it in the web layer. So web and app connecting through using the connector. Ideally, any applications will have the connectors. This is the data layer where your data sits on the store on your data layer database basically. It may be like it's maybe Oracle or it's a MySQL or it's MS SQL. Any databases will maybe reside in the layer. You can use connection string application to connect the backend server. This is the basically backend database. So you can connect that. Thereby you can establish the connection. This is what it's secure manner. If you want more secure, say example, suppose if you want to connect your web server or app server by using internal resources and external resources. Okay, if that case you can use this way, like you can have the two firewalls where you can web layer sits between firewall external firewall and DMZ firewall. Okay, and your applications and database and other web servers are sitting in your internal segments. Okay, so the internal users connecting the applications through the internal web server and external users connecting applications or backend servers through the external web server. So this way you make secure more secure in that. So this is what it's a typical three-tier architecture over there. This is called multi-tier architecture in this way. Okay.